What's going on, all you calm, cool savages? I'm your host, Wesley Pipes, and you're watching CCS TV.
This is a whole nother level that you cannot see. I just might be a different type of human being. I'ma rise as a king, I rep that 303. It's Wesley Pipes in the building, I'ma do my thing.
Welcome to another helpful Twitch video. Today's video is how to go from 0 to 1,000 follows on Twitch, how I did it, and how you can do it too. I separated this guide into 10 tips. But before I get started, I'm going to assume you have the basics to stream on Twitch. Like you have decent equipment, your stream is high quality, you have a nice background, not like dirty clothes on the floor, all over your room. I'm assuming you have a good stream etiquette, you're nice, don't be rude. Now, these are just 10 quick tips. I'm not gonna go into depth, but if you guys like this video and you really want me to go in depth with these topics, just let me know down in the comments. Comment what your favorite tip was and be like, CalmCoolSavage, I want to know more about this. I'll do a video for you guys. I'll go way more into depth with the topics, but this is just a quick video to get right into it. Tip number 1, treat your stream like it's a show. Always talk. Tip number 2, be engaging with viewers. Ask them how their day is. Always say hi. Tip number 3, set goals and find ways to complete the Twitch achievements. Tip number 4, market yourself. Use YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, other social platforms. Tip number 5, use your talents and hobbies to gain like-minded viewers. Tip number 6, be consistent, make a schedule, stick to the schedule. Tip number 7, do giveaways, use song requests, and make use of the Twitch extensions. Tip number 8, try doing IRL streams or music making streams. Tip number 9, play a game that has 15 to 30 people streaming it. Don't play the big games because you won't get seen. You might gain a few followers, but you're gonna grow way faster if you stick to one game so that you can build a community and get your stream to the top of the list. Tip number 10, you're gonna wanna brand yourself. Do something or wear something that no one else wears. As you can see, I wear a blue hat and an orange hoodie. This is my everyday attire. I am the CalmCoolSavage. You guys, we're starting from the bottom, headed to the top, and it's not gonna stop until we're dead. Those are the 10 tips. If you want me to go in more depth with these, let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much to everyone who supports the stream on the daily. You guys are the true savages. Guys, we're on the road to 2K followers. Head over to twitch.tv/CalmCoolSavage. Smash that follow button. Get ready for future giveaways, an amazing community, awesome streams on the daily. And if you're lucky enough, you get to play with CalmCoolSavage himself. Don't worry, you guys, I actually play with every single one of my viewers. Anyone's welcome to come play. Come on in, join the fun. Check out Discord, check out my Twitch, leave a like, leave a comment down below, and punch out that subscribe button. Just remember, we're all amazing people, capable of amazing things, so get out there and create a life you deserve. Keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage.